Inspect the microscope and surrounds before you start imaging. Clean the area if necessary. A bottle of 80% ethanol is provided at every microscope for you to wipe down surfaces, such as the tables and microscope stage. Cleaning supplies and immersion fluids are provided, so speak to staff if supplies are low. Always inspect and clean objectives before use to ensure you get the best images possible. If you do find problems, make a note of any issues on the feedback sheets, as you're not to blame for damage that you did not cause. Report incidents and problems you've encountered during imaging to staff immediately. Don't just leave a note. On the Widefield systems, the computers are generally left on. Log on to the computer using your IMB AD credentials. On every Widefield system, there's an automatic microscope controller unit, an AMC unit, to power the microscope and the lamp. The AMC controls the length of time the microscope and the epifluorescent lamp are on to extend the life of the bulbs and the equipment. The microscope, bright field lamp and accessories turn on automatically when you log onto the computer, and the fluorescence lamp can be turned on using the lamp on button on the desktop. The lamp on button turns on the lamp for a minimum of 30 minutes and a maximum of 90 minutes. You will then hear a constant beep that will warn you that the lamp is about to turn off. You have 5 minutes to double-click the lamp on button to continue using the microscope. If the lamp does turn off, you will not be able to start the lamp again for 5 minutes, as the lamp will be in cool down mode. When you log out of the computer, the power to the microscope, bright field lamp and accessories will automatically turn off. You may notice that the lamp does not always shut down when you log off the PC. This is because you have not yet reached the minimum 30-minute lamp runtime. The lamp will automatically shut off when this time has been reached.